Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these lovely line patterns using my colorful Sharpie markers. So I'm going to review this set of markers, which include some sets of metallic markers in which I tried to design and test on black paper too before, and I have here some unfinished sketchbook page before, and I will just draw random circles, lines, dots inside this. It'll be kind of like a flower line patterns using different colors. So this set of markers are a gift to me last Christmas, and I have been using it since I started my channel in the middle of February. So I try to use it often in my flower cards and greeting cards to see if how it works, as mostly I work on ink or pen. Honestly, I am amazed with these markers, and I have used a cheaper or a different brand before, and right from the time that I open it, it is already dried up. So these markers has tight caps, which is great for preserving the colors. So I'm not very knowledgeable about markers, and I'm just sharing to you my own experience with it. So I love all the colors. These are kind of like 48 colors, and they are so bright. Colors are vivid. Since I'm using my sketchbook, I decided to put a paper underneath because the paper is not that thick, and that's one thing I learned. Lesson learned, that markers are great for sketchbook too if your paper is a little bit thicker. And the neon ones are my favorite. They are really bright and give some luminance to your artwork. So I'm just doing randomly, and my colors doesn't have to be very cohesive. It's part of the exploration. This is something I do when I'm out of ideas too, and you can do it also. And sometimes it can be daunting to use new materials or art supplies. But if you are just, for example, learning about the medium or the media, this is kind of like a fun and basic exercise just to get to know. So I even make dots and some little textures. And one thing that I like about it too is because it is shorter and it is easy to hold. I know when I'm using my ink brush, and if you ever watch my old videos, I feel like I'm already poking the viewer in the eye, as it can be really long, and I feel bad about it, but this is different. So I love how short these markers are. Some markers can be really long, and this one has a good grip in it. So this is something you can do too if you're bored and make swatches of your art supplies. Try what you can do instead of thinking what you always need to draw. And playing around with your tools and materials open up you to the possibilities of acquiring knowledge of your medium or techniques that you can definitely try it for your future projects or creative ideas. I highly recommend this product since I started my channel in February and it was already April. It's still working and still have lots of colors. Colors are brilliant, and I'm looking forward for how long it will last. But please use your materials well, and I do believe that to be able to create art, you have to invest in supplies based from your budget and what you can afford right now. Use whatever you have. So markers are great for coloring pages or coloring book, and I even have a tutorial for that, a spring coloring page, if you want to try or check it out. And if you want to learn how to make your very own coloring pages this spring. So do you have your favorite marker or art supplies? Please comment down below. I love to hear your comments. If you watch my videos of things to draw when bored, you can get an idea in just starting with lines and give yourself a channel or a chance to discover your materials, and it will be eventually fruitful at the end. So thank you for watching and supporting my channel, guys. Please subscribe for more art supplies and reviews or drawing tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!